The flavours are just quite incredible. It's original, and it's brave, and it's exciting. You're halfway. You've got 30 minutes left.
Country girl Donna's cheesy leeks and smoked haddock just got her through the first round. She did well in the pro kitchen, but will need to show more finesse if she's to progress any further.
So, our dishes today, they're going to make you a quarter-finalist are what, Donna?
And well, my starter is asparagus with parma ham.
OK, and then for the other course?
Lamb with minted cream leeks.
Donna, what would you say to a sceptic who suggested this was all too simple for MasterChef?
My style is very much homely food, and this is what I want more people to enjoy.
Can you win?
I still want it. I still really, really want it.
Lovely piece of lamb and the minted leeks. Is that a bit simple? I'm not quite sure.
Donna is doing very good home cooking, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Mum of four Denise impressed with her flavours in the first round and excelled in the restaurant. Will her own two courses continue to win favour with the judges?
What are you cooking?
A warm salad of pigeon with glazed beetroot and sour cherry shots with vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce.
Ooh,
MasterChef's a very, very tough competition. You are a determined person. How are you going to fit this into your life with 4 children?
Do you know what? I fit lots of other things into my life with 4 children. I work full-time. It's kind of like hard work. It's what I do, despite perhaps what people think I actually look like sometimes. I'm no prima donna.
Pigeon salad with glazed beetroot, cherry shots, vanilla ice cream. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. But we always know what happens. It can go wrong.
I still can't pick a winner from these 3. Everything to play for, but some good food out there, John.
Guys, you've got 5 minutes. We should see food hitting the plates. 5 minutes to go.
That's it. Time's up. Finished.
Donna hopes to go through with a starter of asparagus and parma ham with thyme and garlic aioli, followed by a main of lamb, minted leeks and sloe gin sauce.
I think your asparagus needs another 30 seconds to a minute. I'm crunching on it.
Yep.
And I'd rather be sinking my teeth into soft spears.
There's no way in the world raw asparagus will cook the way you've done it, by just wrapping 3 pieces in ham and pan frying it.
That's your asparagus. Let's sample your lamb.
It's a lot more rare than I'd want it.
I think that you're lucky you have cooked it as rare as that. But then I'm crunching on this leek, which for me needs to be cooked a lot more. I think your concept is right. I think the execution is wrong.
That sloe gin sauce is almost like a strawberry topping. It is slightly odd.
Right.
Ben is hoping for a quarter-final place with black pudding, apple salad and quail's eggs, followed by tea-smoked cod, samphire and sweet tomato sauce.
Your black pudding and your onion sauce and your apple, I think, go really well together. I feel it needs a bit more refinement, but I like the idea of it.
I had serious doubts over the combination of egg and apple, but it works.
From your black pudding to your fish.
The flavours are just quite incredible. It's original, and it's brave, and it's exciting.